and welcome to my by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of PTB class 9 science group. Exercise is 2.6 and it's about the basic operations on complex numbers. In this class, students will be learning and discussing question number 5, and the part is 4. And the question says that for the given situation, we have to calculate z bar, z plus z bar, z minus z bar, and z multiplied by z bar, and we have to give the answer in standard complex number form. Before moving to the lesson, I just want to say that if you have not subscribed to my channel or you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit bell icon so that you can get the notification of every new lesson in time, because this is the spot, this is a place where you can find and solve your all of the difficulties regarding maths. The channel is not providing help to the students for the metric maths, but for FSCs and BSCs maths as well, and your O-level maths as well. You can find different sections available over there, where you can find all solutions of D1, D2, D3, D4 and the O-level past papers and your PTB problems as well. So, let us move to the solution of this question. Z equals to 4 minus 3 iota, 4 minus 3 iota over 2 plus 4 iota, and the question is in form of the fraction. So, first of all, what we have to do before moving to the actual solution, actual problems, we have to make this question and the fraction free from denominator. And what is the rule, students, for making any complex number which is in form of fraction free from denominator? We have to multiply and divide this fraction by the conjugate of denominator, that is 2 plus 4 iota is the denominator. So, its conjugate is 2 minus 4 iota. I hope you are clear about this, that why we are multiplying and dividing this fraction by the conjugate. So, the question in the beginning will take the form z equals to 4 minus 3 iota upon 2 plus 4 iota multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator 2 minus 4 iota upon 2 plus 4 iota. Now, look, if we look at the denominator, we can see that in both the fractions we are having the same value at the first place, same value at the second place, only the difference is of the signs. So, which algebraic identity, difference between two squares, we have to apply. You should have good command on the formulas, because learning of mathematics does not require the learning of that topic only. You need to have the understanding of many other topics as well. So, 4 will be multiplied by 2 minus 4 iota minus 3 iota into 2 minus 4 iota upon 2 square. According to the rule, it will be minus sign and 4 iota whole square. So, it will become 8 minus 16 iota minus 6 iota, minus multiplied by minus will become positive, and 12, okay, and iota square. Let me do one more step, because all efforts are to facilitate my students and in order to give them the clear understanding. So, minus 4 square is 16 and one more step, iota square. Now, iota square is the famous result, 16 and 4 20 and 2 is 22, 8 minus 22 iota minus iota square is minus 1, that is 12 into minus 1. I will be trying to provide all necessary calculations so that my students can secure good marks in their board exams. Okay, 8 minus 22 iota minus 12 upon 4 plus 16, because minus multiplied by minus is plus. Now 8 minus 12, 8 minus 12 minus 22 iota upon 20. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 minus 22 iota by 20. Now what we can do is that 4 by 20, 4 by 20 minus 22 by 20 iota, 2 2s are 4, or 4 1s are, and 4 5s are, and 2 11s are, and 2 10s are. So the Z, which is the actual question, has taken the form, Z, which is the actual question, has taken the form minus 1 by 5 minus 11 by 10 iota. This is actual question. This is a simplified form of actual question. Okay. Now moving to the first requirement of the question, that is first part, that is Z bar, A part, Z bar, Z bar. Okay, and let me draw the line here so that my students should not mix working and they should not get the wrong idea. Z bar. Now Z with us is minus, this is the requirement, Z is minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5 minus 11 by 10 iota, or what we can do is, okay, Z bar minus 1 by 5 minus 11 by 10 iota, and let me keep the bar, mark the bar with different color. This is the conjugate sign and it will have the effect over here. So Z bar will come, take the form Z bar minus 1 by 5 plus 11 by 10 iota. This is Z bar minus 1 by 5. Okay. B part is Z plus Z bar, Z plus Z bar. As this is a long question, so I will be this time not finding Z bar again. I will simply be writing the answers. Z plus Z bar minus 1 by 5 minus 11 by 10 iota plus Z bar. Z bar is minus 1 by 5 plus 11 by 10 iota. Now look, 11 by 10 iota and 11 by 10 iota can go with each other, and we will left with 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Take the LCM, 5 is the LCM, minus 1 which is equal to minus 2 by 5. So Z plus Z bar is 2 by 5. Really easy questions, and you should have good idea of the rationalization process. And the second thing is that you should have the idea that how to take the conjugate and apply conjugate, then the question will become really easy for you. And the next part is that we have to find Z minus Z bar. C part, Z minus Z bar, Z minus Z bar minus Z is 1 over 5, 11 by 10 iota, minus, why minus? Because the question is asking us for the minus sign, and Z bar has the answer minus 1 by 5 plus 11 by 10 iota, and now this minus sign will be affecting, changing all the signs inside the bracket. So it will take the form minus 1 by 5 minus 11 over 10 iota, minus multiplied by minus is positive 1 by 5 and minus 11 over 10 iota. Now look, this time we are having the real terms same real terms with opposite signs. So, we are going to cancel them up and we will left with minus 11 over 10 iota minus 11 over 10 iota, and this will become 10 minus 11 minus 11, and both are having iota. So, I have written iota as a common factor, minus 22 by 10 iota, 2 11s are 2 5s are minus 2 5s are 2 11s are minus 11 by 5 iota is the answer for this part. Really easy questions. Okay. And the D part is z times z bar, z times z bar, that we have to multiply. We have to multiply the complex number with its conjugate. Okay. So, z bar, z is minus 1 by 5 minus 11 over 10 iota, this is minus sign, minus 1 by 5 plus 11 over 10 iota. Again observe the question that 1 by 5 is same at first and second place, and B 11 by 10 is same, only the difference is of signs. So, which identity? The difference, the perfect square identity with differences, and according to that it will take the form 1 over 5 square minus a square minus b square 11 by 10 iota whole square. Square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, will become positive 1 over 25 minus 11 square is 121 by 100 and iota square. Again iota square is a famous result, minus 1. Okay, 1 over 25, 1 over 25 minus 121 by 100, iota square is minus 1. Now, this minus multiplied by minus will become positive, 1 over 25 plus 1 over 25 plus 121 by 100. Okay, take the LCM of 25 and 100, 25 and 100, 25 ones are and 4s are, LCM will be 100, 25 4 times plus 121, which is equal to 125 by 100. Again table of 5 or 25 5 times is 125 and 25 4 times 5 by 4. Really easy and really important questions. Okay, and they can come in the long working as well. So, you should have the good grasp on these all parts. Okay, thank you very much.